Okay, so we are doing an art project today based on this wonderful book Mixed by Aree Chung. And you can see that there are a whole lot of fantastic buildings in the background in black and white. So I'm going to use a piece of paper and I'm going to draw some of those buildings on my page. I'm going to put in some windows, some doors. I might even want to add in a car. Maybe another house back here. And maybe like on the front cover, boxes. And someone with a megaphone who is making an announcement. Okay, then I'm going to use some of this paper magic clay. I'm going to use a little bit, rub it around, and then I'm going to stick it down. Then I'm going to choose some googly eyes and put them inside my person's face like this, and I can use the texture to add a mouth as though he's talking here, and I can add some arms if I want. And that is going to stick to the paper as it dries. Now the other cool thing about this is the story of red, yellow and blue mixing colours. I'm going to draw another little person driving this car. And then I'm going to use the paper magic clay to mix red and yellow together. And when you rub them together like this, it's going to make a new colour. And what do red and yellow make when you mix them? Orange. So there's my little orange baby in the back.